What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are actually starting bright and early. I'm on the way to Andy's shop, to Turbo Kids Garage actually shop. Gonna do a full maintenance on the car. About the fluid for the oil change, the transmission fluid, so we can do a flush on it, oil filter, all that good stuff. The car also has a little bit of an exhaust leak in the middle where I guess the headers or the exhaust manifold meets the pipe, the OEM pipe. I gotta check the gasket for that. And that's about it. We're gonna hopefully do a few little more things, but for today's video is just kind of that, just maintenance on the car and stuff like that. No mods just for today. I do have some parts coming in for the car, so those are gonna be for a future video. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll see you guys now. I gotta get my coffee because I'm destroyed. I just woke up and I needed to wake up. I'll see you guys now. Just showed up to the shop. We're gonna have a quick coffee, little breakfast here, RX-7 back there, and we're gonna bring in the RSX and start doing some work on it, doing the oil change, transmission flush, all that good stuff. And yeah, man, just get the day rolling. Get you guys a nice little video. Hasn't had an oil change since I got it. It's supposed to be, I got it like 2,000 miles ago, full synthetic. I went to the Adrian dealer and I bought the Honda one, so just removing it here now. It kind of looks dark, but it doesn't look that dark because it was done with full synthetic, but it was actually done in June, so by the month it's a little bit more than I would like to, so that's why I just came to do it. I also got to do the exhaust just to check the little gasket because it's making a horrible exhaust leak. Gotta check up on that. And then when I freaking hit my head going back, so that's stupid tired. But yeah, man, fresh oil change, fresh transmission fluid change, and that's it. Maybe go for a little drive tonight. Am I gonna see your pool?
Hey, no, I gotta do it when I come back.
Oh, when you come back? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so when you're changing the transmission fluid, which this one was immaculate, this is the bolt right there. That's the bolt right there for the draining. The filled one is right behind it. If you could kind of see it, it's kind of like parallel to it. Make sure you put a new washer on it. The dealer should give you a washer when you buy the fluid. And yeah, that's about it. The oil was pretty brand new. And this is the exhaust little flange that we're doing for the stock one that I showed you guys now. So we're gonna go grab lunch now. I'm gonna finish doing the tranny change, the tranny fluid change, and I'll come back to you guys now. Alright, so I think we found the problem for the exhaust gasket. Look how thin this is. This is supposed to go in between the exhaust manifold, the headers, and the pipe for the exhaust. But this is supposed to be way more thick. It's focusing on my face right now, but this is supposed to be way more thick. Mostly a dealer item. I went to the AutoZone I called the AutoZone and they had it. And it's just a little gasket, so I don't really mind doing one from the AutoZone, at least this time around. I'm not really a big fan of doing parts from like AutoZone or Auto Parts or whatever, but some of these things are, there's no point on getting them at the dealer. So I got it at the AutoZone. I'm gonna put it back on, just finish doing the oil change, and we'll go from there. That's right, Florida State. I'm just kidding. A lot of people give me crap about that because I have the Florida State banner on top of my room. I mean, in the door of my room. But technically, I love all sports. If you guys, whoever knows me or has been knowing me or knows me or is a friend of mine, knows that I play soccer for about 15 years, 6 years. I would say semi-pro level, second division here in Florida. And I love sports. So not only do I have a Florida State banner, I got Oregon Ducks. I got everything. By the way, Sash, I got your hoodie on, buddy. camera's battery is always low. This G7X is kind of always low. I'm gonna have to jump in and get the new G7X Mark III. I hear that now you can put a mic on it, so that's really good. I'm actually, Juan's on the way over here with the S2000. We're just gonna go for a little cruise and drive, and then I'm gonna go over to the buddy Adrian's house because we have a great news to give you guys about the Skyline. And not only that, we're gonna open some late Christmas presents that we friends give each other. I'm actually gonna give him this power shot Canon A2200. It's about 9 years old, but he's actually trading it in to get a deal on the GoPro, because now if you trade in, by the way, if you guys are into filming, if you trade in an old camera that has a value or had a value of $100 and more, it doesn't matter how old it is, they will give you $100 off of your purchase of the GoPro. So there you go, nice little plug for GoPro. I am running the GoPro 6, not the G7X, the GoPro 6. So I am not using it much, but I will definitely start using it more. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Adrian's house because he did give me a little Christmas present, and I'm excited to see what he got me. I also got Andy a Christmas present and a few other people. So just gonna go with Juan for a little drive, and then when Adrian gets home, we're gonna head over, and I am gonna show you a little install that Adrian did on his car, which hopefully you guys like it.
I've been cleaning it from that, what do you call it? I still haven't cleaned it from the time they were, you know, we did the hikers or whatever.
Right. So Adrian installed his new steering wheel. Adrian installed his new steering wheel in the car.
Oh, I need the keys.
And it's a special edition wheel that I want to show you guys. So anyways, I made it here to Adrian's house. I got him that little Skyline model that you guys saw there as a Christmas gift. And then there's something else coming in, which I'm obviously not going to tell him because it's obviously a surprise. And Andy already saw what he's getting, so. But it's just a little late exchange of gifts. So you have the work spell thing on, right?
Yep.
Nice.
Let me put this down.
Hell, opening mirrors.
Yeah.
Dude, that is, let me see it. Oh my God. Oh crap, the camera. Oh, I want to get rid of my Momo now.
It's just different, you know?
It is so thin. I wouldn't even want to drive with it. I don't know, it's just so.
Yeah, but.
I mean, it's meant for that, but.
I just gotta take care. No. Wait, it does work though.
Oh, and it's strong too.
Wait,
my Momo.
Oh, yeah.
My Momo's not that strong. Damn, dude, that is sick.
Yeah, but you know what?
How about that hub though?
What?
When'd you get that hub?
From my Hand Drive Japan.
Is also works, bro?
Yeah, it is. When I do the video for the installation, I'm gonna put the all the links for.
And this is a Vertex collab, by the way.
So yeah, so Vertex and Artie. You want some light or something?
No, I think it doesn't focus, but
It's
the
just
badge
'cause it's
is there.
dark.
The badge is there. Anyways, so I don't know. You want to make your announcement about your channel or whatever?
I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, I'm having a baby.
I'm like, I'm getting married. No, so Adrian has a new channel. Adrian has a YouTube channel.
It's in the works. It's in the works, but I want to start doing some videos about not just the car, but you know, stuff that I do to the sedan, because I feel like I'm always searching for things specific to the sedan. And yes, there is a lot of things that pretty much mirror the R32 two-door, whether it's a GTST or a GTR, but still some people have speculations about what fits, what doesn't fit. So that's kind of why I'm here. I want to show people my experience and what I'm learning as I go with the sedan. So
no, of course.
and to do it right, you know, and learn from my mistakes, if anything.
Of course. No, and then people give you feedback too from also sedans that they have. You also put in these seats, which I probably haven't shown. These are the R32 seats, right?
Yeah, let me.
GTR.
No. Those are the R33.
These are R33s?
Yeah.
GTRs, all right?
Mhm.
Nice. So anyway, so I'll leave you the link. I'm not ending the video, but I'll leave you the link in the description below so you can go check out his channel. He just recently also did the Hikers Delete.
Which, yeah, I mean, I haven't uploaded any videos yet. It's gonna be maybe another week or so, but
yeah,
it'll get done.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him my Final Cut program, and then we could start cracking down on the videos. The Hikers Delete has been deleted, so in order to install that, but I'll leave that to his video so you guys can see more info on that. You know, what are you gonna show?
No, I'm just gonna take
Oh, you grabbed the battery for something.
No,
yeah, let me
for
see it. Yeah, that is sweet, dude.
Yeah. And then I have the
Wait, put it more here in the light. It's kind of dark. There you go. Look.
soften this up a little.
You can get the badge there. So this, how many of these were made?
I think 300.
Only? Nice.
Yeah.
It's such a different wheel though. I've always been a fan of Nardi. I actually wanted one when I had the Golf.
Yeah.
But then
Well, that was
the
the thing. I've always loved Vertex.
And the fact that it's deep dish or whatever.
Yeah, maybe now you can see the Vertex.
There you go. That's perfect. And let me see how deep it is. Like, put it like sideways.
Oh.
That's a pretty deep wheel, yeah. I
And
like
just
it.
so people see, this is a Works Bell. Oh.
Quick release.
Wait, you guys need some light.
I got it.
This is Works Bell quick release, but it's a Splash edition. Kind of the same thing as like Works Bell with Night Runners. Splash is just another.
You're just buying all collabs parts, huh?
Yeah, but this is the same one that I had from the.
Well,
the
they're limited runs.
Yeah, this is one I had from the S13, and I that's one of the only things I kept from the car. But this thing's nice, man.
Yeah.
And I love Vertex, but their steering wheels are a little too aggressive for me, so that's why I got this, because.
And I love how it has that yellow stitching on it. That's so nice.
Oh my god! I just realized I'm like wearing like a
Skyline shirt.
what is it?
It was all a setup.
A video appropriate car. Actually, no. We went out to the movies and stuff.
Oh, okay.
We watched Jumanji 2.
Was it good?
Don't watch it.
It sucks.
It's okay. It's not Jumanji.
That we knew.
Oh, no, not the original Jumanji, but like the recent Jumanji, the first one with
The Rock or whatever.
Kevin Hart and all that. And that one's great. This one, not so much.
Right. So also yeah, he's gonna be doing a couple of those videos. You're also gonna be doing a video on the water temperature from Yoshio factory, right?
Yep.
Which is, I'm not sure if Adrian might be the only one in the States. I doubt it. Might be the only one in the States, but they didn't make a lot. I did hit up Oka-chan from Yoshio factory, and he did write back to me, and we were able to get it thanks to Jesse Streeter, who came in clutch. But he's gonna do a video on it, kind of just going over it. Maybe I can show you guys it. It's right there. But you guys have seen it. Yeah, it's right there.
Hold up.
No, I can see it. I can see
You
it.
can see the light.
Oh, you know, I've never seen it at night.
And you can
Put it in.
change. Well, it's probably gonna be super overexposed, but you can change like the intensity of the light and everything.
Yeah, it's probably not catching it, but you'll see it better on his video. But I know I know it does have a lot more options for sure.
Oh no, it's great. Like so many different display settings, and it's pretty awesome.
Yeah. I just finished running an S2000, by the way. Our friend Juan, the white one that you guys always see. I stay kind of like a bumper behind him. Pretty good for a stock Type S with just an intake. Not bad. I'm gonna have a beer with Adrian. I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, if anyone's interested, Adrian's steering wheel's up for sale. R32 steering wheel. I would say it's what, like a 7 out of 10 or something like that? Some in that sense.
Yeah.
You could DM him. You know Adrian, A-Rock.
Wear and tear, but
A-Rock R32. Let me show you guys the little car. Ew. Looks nice. Alright guys, so the battery on the camera is kind of dying. I want to show you guys what I got, which I think it was a really good investment. And it was the rug. It was the OEM. They're a little dirty obviously, but it is the OEM all-weather rug RSX Type S, because the OEM ones were getting beat up and I didn't want to mess them up. And also I did the HIDs, which you probably can't catch much on camera, but yeah, you kind of can. I also did the HIDs. So HIDs and new rugs. There is going to be a few parts coming in that I have for the video. I ordered some spoon parts for it, thanks to Acura Honda Classic. They're doing the works now, so they can order them for me. I won't tell you guys what it is, but hopefully you'll see it soon in the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Just a small video, just hanging out. I'll see you guys on the next one, and remember to subscribe.